Is AI replacing course creators? Here's the truth and what to do about it. If we haven't met before, my name is Sarah Turner. I'm an 8-figure business owner, and I am known for sharing some tough love and harsh truths. And that's because, well, one, that's kind of just who I am, but also it doesn't do anyone any good to pretend like things aren't the way they are. And AI is one of those changes, and I have lived through many in my 12 years in digital marketing. It's one of those changes that is super important for us to look honestly at and to have conversations about because it's going to continue to change and to grow. So let's talk about what is on a lot of course creators' mind. Is AI going to replace me? And honestly, I get the concern, especially with so many people saying, oh, you can just create a course in a week with ChatGPT and you will find an incredible amount of generic information in there. But what that does is it just floods the internet with low quality, surface level stuff. It can make you feel like humans are being replaced by AI. But here's the truth. It isn't a threat unless you ignore it. Again, that's why I think it's so important to talk about. The course creators who embrace AI in an ethical way actually have an unfair advantage to those who are not. And there's a lot of really simple things you can do in order to set yourself apart. So the first thing we got to talk about is how AI can generate content, but it can't really generate connection. Sure, for some people, it feels like a sense of connection, but by and large, people are not really starting relationships with AI bots. So AI can draft, structure, outline, help you with ideation, and even record basic content. But it cannot replace your story, your values, your vision, or your lived experience. So the solution is to lean into that. And quite frankly, I've been telling people to lean into that for over a decade. So if you are already doing that, that's good news. Lean into your unique perspective. Tell personal stories throughout. Weave in your struggles, your aha moments, even through the tactical stuff that you have in your online program. You can also do this by sharing students' wins and their stories through amplifying trust, obviously with permission. I feel like that should go without saying, but I have seen it. This shows proof and deepens trust. Also use language that mirrors how you would speak to a friend. And ask them reflective questions along the way. Get them to take whatever it is you're teaching and have them apply it to their unique experience. Have them pause and consider whatever it is you're talking about. The next truth is knowing that the real value of your program is in the transformation, not the information. In fact, when I'm working with students on their online programs, I often remind them that they should pull out anything that is going to take longer and be unnecessary for them to actually reach that transformation. If there's something that you think they would benefit from later on, after they've, had a few wins under their belt, then save it for later on. AI can give you all kinds of answers, but it cannot really coach people through mindset shifts and emotional blocks or belief rewrites. It can be a great resource to help, but it won't be where the change actually happens. So make sure you're building your program around results, not just information. That means focusing on the end transformation in all of your marketing materials. It means mapping out your course such that they have micro wins all along the way. And this is really important because it helps students feel like they're making progress, which is essential to have them build momentum to keep going. The other thing you can do is add implementation prompts. So checkpoints along the way, which might be a checklist, which might be an activity, a workbook, something that gets them to take whatever they're learning and actually apply it in real time. And then I think it is essential to include support mechanisms like communities, office hours, peer review, live support, journaling. All of those things will create a sense of connection. And now I often have students who are worried about those elements because they feel more time intensive. But I'm telling you, even something like a community can be mostly hands off and one of the most powerful parts of your program. My students are always sharing stories about how they meet up all over the country, how they've been in each other's weddings, how they've started businesses together, how they've led retreats and gone on retreats together. Some have moved in and become roommates. Some have, moved across the country so they could be closer to each other. Truly, our community is so freaking powerful and incredible and magical. It is everyone's favorite part of the program. Yes, they need the information from the actual course itself to actually go through the transformation and the path and the process, but the community is the feel-good part. And that, my friends, is never going to be replaced by AI. Okay, the next point I think is so important, especially because I use AI every single day now. in my business. And I am so grateful for it. It makes everything so much faster. And what I've come to see is that AI is your ultimate assistant. It is not your replacement. Sure, it's going to help you do more faster. It's going to help you with brainstorming and outline and even content creation. But the vision and nuance must come from you. You must bring your own expertise and experience to the table. And that is how you're going to create a program that rises to the top in the noise that's online. Over the last 12 years, I have seen the noise online and how it's gotten bigger and louder and more crowded across the board. This is just another iteration of that. But cream rises to the top, my friend. So as long as you are focused on that, on making something high caliber, something that really delivers on a transformation, you will create something of true value and people will notice that. So I want to encourage you to use AI tools, especially the one that I've created, because it's honestly the best that I have come across, and I've been testing tons and I've been seeing how people are scrambling to make things, but this is informed by over 12 years of marketing experience, and on top of it there's a profile that you fill out which I guide you through to tease out stories and things like that, so that everything you're creating kind of leans back on your knowing your ICA, knowing who you are in a really deep and profound way. But even if you don't have access to that, still, even the most basic AI tool can help save you a ton of time. So use it. Don't be afraid of it, but you got to make sure that you're refining it with your own ideas, because what it spits out is still largely generic, again, unless you're using my AI tool. Another thing to keep in mind, and this is something I've believed before AI, but I think it's even more important now, and that is trust and credibility are your most valuable assets. As AI-generated content floods the market, your face, your story, your mission, your values are going to be the thing that sets you apart. It's going to be your most valuable asset. It's going to bring in people who have similar values, similar thought processes. Truly, some of your best friends probably. So show your face and tell your story and speak like a human. Be messy, make mistakes. We've seen the shift in how people are starting to prefer things that are less curated, more messy, more raw, more human than ever before, and that's just going to continue. So infuse who you are into your lessons in your program, but also into your marketing materials. That is literally what I created my AI tool for, because as a copywriter, it is a skill and a practice to move throughout your day and to start to pull stories or remember stories that you can then take and share with the world in an effective and compelling way through your marketing materials, most likely. And that is a practice that I still am working on, even after over a decade. So I've created something that absolutely helps you do that on your own. Being visible is also super important, using your voice and your face, even making simple Loom videos just to show people that it's really you. This is all going to be and continue to be more and more important. This is what's going to happen because this is what has always happened. Creators who partner with AI in a helpful, ethical, and effective way are going to be the winners. All along the way, people have tried to cheat or have shortcuts or hacks, with SEO, with stuffing keywords, like, oh my gosh, so long ago. But that was the thing that people tried to do to cheat the system. And very quickly, the algorithm got smarter, it outgrew it, and that stuff was then flagged as spam. It's the same thing. If you are committed to quality and integrity, you will come out on top, and you will outpace changes in technology. It has continued to happen for more than a decade, and it will only continue to do so. We want authenticity, we want integrity, and those are the things that build a thriving business that does more than 1 or 2 successful launches, but that lasts and shifts and grows in your lifetime, as long as you want it, with every season of life. This is the thing. Courses are also going to have to include AI. That is why I created Coursea Collective, which is not just a course. I know that the people in my program don't have time to take a course because they are busy in their zone of genius. They are either service providers or they are already course creators or consultants or experts who already have the thing that they are really good at and they just want to get it into the hands of people they know they can help. Coursea Collective includes an AI tool that is informed by over a decade of experience, informed by the course itself, so that you can jump in and immediately be applying all of that expert information to your unique situation and expertise. It is going to cut the time it would take you to set up an effective online program by probably somewhere around 80%. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I designed it because we don't have time. You don't have time. I don't have time, but we do need to keep focusing on how we can help more people in this world. Coursea Collective takes AI and allows you to amplify the thing that makes you human. And that, my friends, is future-proof. If you're interested in Coursea Collective, there's some details in the description below. This is a program that I will be limiting. So as soon as it's reached a critical mass, we will be closing it. And that's because this is going to be like a digital mastermind. It's not only going to include the best resources that any course creator could ever need, but also a network of incredible humans, because community, quite frankly, is my favorite. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if this was helpful. And of course, please, if you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments. That is where I get a lot of my ideas for these videos. So thank you very much, guys. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It's how you'll get notified that you have new videos just like this one every single week.